I'm super excited today.
More cowbell. Right on.
Her voice could punch you in the face. I love this one.
Jive turkey.
Who are you calling Jive Turkey?
You.
Hi guys, this is Play It Again. I'm Ginger.
And I'm Mike.
And, okay, so our very good family friend Chloe.
Hi, Chloe.
Hi Chloe. She's been a family friend for a very long time. It's making me feel old actually. We had her over for dinner the other day and introduced her to High as a Kite and Agnes Obel. She hadn't heard of any of those acts before. We introduced her to quite a few things, right? But she messaged me the other day and said she's absolutely obsessed with Agnes Obel now. And she also created a Spotify list based on Agnes Obel and High as a Kite. And she got a ton of new songs that even were new for us that she suggested we do for the channel. And I'll take those suggestions.
Yeah, so we feed it to her. She feeds it to us. It's all good.
Win-win. So she suggested a couple of Agnes Obel songs and Anna Brun, which is not new to us, but a couple of her songs that we hadn't heard before.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll be getting to those too because we haven't done Anna Brun in a while and we love her.
We do, yeah.
But this one I picked up on because the band is something new for us.
Right.
Volk? Is that how you say that with the umlaut on top? Is it Volk?
Your guess is as good as mine.
You guys can correct me. I'm not sure how to speak with the umlaut. And the song is Waterfall. So
let's get to it.
Closter, for the suggestion.
Yes.
We'll have to have you over for dinner again soon because this works out for both of us.
Digging it so far.
He likes the moody stuff.
Well, that was really atmospheric, eh?
It was really atmospheric. Hypnotic was the word that kept coming to mind. Just that it was, I guess, like a synth-based sound, right?
Yeah.
Or just like that punk,
Doo-doo.
punk,
Doo-doo.
punk, punk, over and over again, and matched that with the kind of freeform dance that she was doing there. And I was so relaxed during that song. It was so relaxing to watch and listen to. It was good. I really liked her voice. There's something about her voice that seems really familiar, and I can't think of why. I mean, it must be she sounds like someone because I haven't heard this band before, but yeah, it's tweaking something in my head. A memory of some kind. One thing I did think was, and it's, I don't know why people are going to go, what the heck are you talking about, lady, when I say this, but something about the style of the song or the style of the way she sang, or maybe even just the treatment on her voice that made it kind of sound like multiple voices, gave me a really distinct reminder of like Foster the People. And I can't even pin it down to what it is, that something about that song had the same kind of feeling about it that I get from Foster the People songs. Or at least a couple of the couple of Foster the People songs I've heard. They aren't big on my radar, but I don't know what it was about it.
I don't know.
And maybe
either.
it's just me.
I know less Foster the People than you do.
Probably just me. But that was the thing that kept ringing in my head. Really liked her voice. I'd like to hear more.
Definitely.
Yeah. So I've done all the talking. What do you think? Just so too relaxed?
Yeah, kind of. It was just ambient, atmospheric. Like it'd be good to put on for certain things, and nice, smooth vibe.
So there's a thing. We have a pile of speakers in the house, Sonos speakers, and it's an integrated sound system, and they have a pile of channels that are like pre-made channels that you can tune into through the app. And it's common for us when we're going to sleep to put on like they have one called the spa channel. It has just sort of easy listening, relaxing sound. Put it on like a timer so that it puts us to sleep and then turns off after an hour. And I keep wondering if maybe we haven't heard that song on there.
Oh, maybe.
And it just hasn't registered because we were headed to sleep. And it sounds like something that would be on that channel.
Yeah.
So
it's full of ambient stuff like that.
It sounds familiar.
Oh, maybe.
I heard it in a half sleep one time. But it was good though.
Yeah, it was good. I liked her voice too.
Good suggestion, Chloe. I'm gonna hop on those other suggestions too because, well, we already know Chloe knows where she's going with music when it comes to us. We have a lot of the similar tastes, so
for sure.
Hopefully, you all enjoyed that too. Just kind of relaxed and enjoyed it, which is, I think, what's supposed to be.
Yep.
I'd like to be buried in a waterfall.
Yeah, of healing waters.
I know you're gonna want to say play it again. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications. You can find us on Twitter. We are at PlayItAgainMG. And thanks for coming out, guys.